Artileri Rusia menggempur markas tentara Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konasenkov, tanggal 22 Juli mengatakan serangan roket Rusia mengeliminir basis sementara tentara Ukraina yang berlokasi di Sekolah 23 di Kramatorsk, Republik Rakyat Donetsk. Sampai 300 nasionalis dan lebih dari 40 unit peralatan khusus dieliminasi, kata Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur hari ini. Selain itu, unit operasi taktis dan penerbangan militer, pasukan rudal dan artileri Rusia melancarkan serangan ke fasilitas militer di Ukraina. Target yang dinetralkan dalam sehari diantaranya 6 pos komando, termasuk satu dari Brigadi Mekanik ke-92 di dekat Rogan, wilayah Kharkov, satu pos komando dan pengamatan Brigadi Mekanik ke-72 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina di dekat Serebrianka, Republik Rakyat Donetsk. Serta 5 misil dan depot persenjataan dan amunisi artileri di dekat Zaitsevo, Republik Rakyat Donetsk, Vishevoye dan Uspenovka, wilayah Zaporozhye. Dari kubu Kyiv, Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis 150 prajurit Federasi Rusia meninggal dalam 24 jam terakhir. Total 39.000 tentara Rusia dan sekutu tewas sejak awal konflik. Total 221 jet tempur, 188 helikopter, 1.704 tank Rusia juga dihancurkan Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina. Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky bersumpah merebut kembali wilayah yang direbut Rusia. Amerika Serikat kembali mengirimkan sistem peluncuran roket mobile atau HIMARS ke Ukraina dan artileri howitzer berat untuk melawan Rusia.
Suffering considerable losses of armament delivered by Western countries. From July 5 to 20, 5 launching ramps and 1 reloading vehicle for the US-manufactured HIMARS MRLS delivered to Ukraine were eliminated by high-precision ground and air-based armament. Among them, 2 launching ramps were destroyed near Malotaranovka, 1 HIMARS and 1 reloading vehicle was destroyed near Krasnoarmeysk, as well as 4th launching ramp at the eastern suburb of Konstantinovka, Donetsk People's Republic. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. Attacks by high-precision ground-based armament have resulted in the elimination of a provisional base of Black 100 nationalist group deployed in the school number 23 in Kramatorsk, Donetsk People's Republic. Up to 300 nationalists and over 40 units of special equipment have been eliminated. Attacks launched by high-precision armament of Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the elimination of a missile and artillery armament depot of the 59th Mechanized Infantry Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, deployed at an industrial area in the eastern part of Nikolaev. The enemy has lost up to 30 servicemen, 6 armored and motor vehicles, over 2,000 projectiles for Grad MRLS, about 1,000 projectiles for Akatsia self-propelled howitzers. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery continue launching attacks at the military facilities in Ukraine. The list of neutralized targets includes 6 command posts, including one of the 92nd Mechanized Brigade near Rogan, Kharkov region, 1 command and observation post of the 72nd Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Serebrianka, Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 5 missile and artillery armament and munitions depots near Zaitsevo, Donetsk People's Republic, Vishnevoye and Uspenovka, Zaporozhye region. Within the counter-battery warfare, 4 Grad MRLS platoons, 24 D-20 howitzer platoons and 13 D-30 cannon platoons have been neutralized. Operational tactical aviation of the Russian aerospace forces have destroyed 1 launching ramp of Bukem-1 air defense system near Cherevkovka, Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense means have shot down 12 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Malaya Kamyshevacha, Vernopolye, Oknino, Balakleya, Verbovka, Slatino, Dolginkoye, Chervony Oskol, Peshchanoye, Kharkov region, Petrovskoye and Zlatoustovka, Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 2 projectiles launched by Uragan MRLS have been intercepted near Topolskoye and Malaya Kamyshevacha, Kharkov region. In total, 260 airplanes and 144 helicopters, 1,589 unmanned aerial vehicles, 357 air defense missile systems, 4,141 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 762 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,176 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 4,453 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.